kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. My name is Phil Shinbine from the Shinbine Drum Company, and this week, as you may have worked out from the intro, I'm going to be talking to you about Bessey's Mini-Vice. You can hear that forklift. That's, you know, all of the Bessey products that are coming in that you need to come in and buy now. Do you find yourself in a situation where you need a bench vise to hold something down while you're working, but you don't have the cash to pick up a big solid wrought iron one, or you just simply don't have the workbench space necessary to put one in? This Mini-Vice by Bessey fills that little gap in the market, I suppose you could say, that little niche, perfectly. It comes supplied with these TK6 little thumb screw clamps that fit into the unit and hold it securely to your bench. Fantastic. This unit will hold things in place securely so that you can do your normal bench vicey things, you know, your planing or chiseling or what have you. But wait, there's more. Not only does it move in parallel to itself, if you take out these two stabilizing pins, you can move it at an angle. So say, for instance, you have a spindle that you need to do a bit of sanding on, right? You open it up far enough and you put it in place, and then when you screw it back down, as you see, it slides over a little bit, and this bit's angled and this bit's angled, and it holds it perfectly securely. And you cannot do that with this bench vise, which is a bonus in this thing's favor. And this thing costs half as much as that. So, you know, no-brainer territory right there. Now, I don't know if you noticed, if that camera saw it when I put the spindle in, but because this is round, you'll need some kind of little cutout or something to hold something round. Bessey thought this through and actually put a couple little grooves in the actual jaws of this unit for specifically that purpose. It'll hold something round securely and solidly, and it will not go anywhere on you. I can actually use the stabilizing rods that come with the unit to help illustrate the effectiveness of the groove in the jaws on this unit. There you have it, Bessey's Mini-Vice. Schraubspanne. For everything you need to know about this, there's a link down below in the doobly-doo to our website, as well as another one to our website in general. And if this is the first time you've been here, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And YouTube thinks you're gonna like this video because their magical algorithms say so. I think. I'm not sure how that works. And these videos down here, we think you will like because we shot them and we're very proud of them. I'm Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you.